I gave that preliminary question because I'm moving to the next question.
This is a
Connected
point
to
of
yun.
order po.
What law
Yeah,
did I violate in asking a question, Mr. Chair? Hindi na po ba ako pwedeng magtanong?
I'm making the
Kailangan
ruling.
ba yung tanong ko ipaalam ko kay Congressman Marcoleta?
Binanggit ko lang po na natanong na po kasi ni
Yeah.
Congressman Erice yung pong katanungan ng ating
That's why, Mr. Chair,
Mambabatas.
I mentioned that my questions is in line with the question of Congressman Erice. That's why I'm setting the premise. Let's move forward, Mr. Chair. Sayang ang oras na hinihinto natin ang investigasyon na ito.
if the premise was laid already, why do we have to repeat it?
Because, Mr. Chair, I have my time. I'm laying down my premises of ano po ba ang kinakatakutan ni Congressman Marcoleta sa mga katanungan ko?
Wala po.
Then
Wala
let me
po.
proceed, Mr.
Gusto po
Chair.
natin
It's my
mag-move
time.
forward.
The chair will rule.
Kailangan
The chair will rule,
itirin po
please.
natin ang oras. Di po ba?
Oras ko po ang kinakain ng mga tanong ko. And Mr. Chair, may I move that my time be sent back to point zero.
Yes, let the Deputy Speaker proceed, please. Thank you. The chair has ruled.
So thank you very much, Mr. Chair. Balik po ako sa zero at magsimula po ang aking 5 minuto. So Secretary, ulitin ko lang po yung tanong para po madugtong ko. Paano po ba nagsisimula ang paglista ng mga proyekto sa NEP? Sa NEP po muna tayo.
Sa NEP po ay nagsisimula po dun sa mga engineering district namin when they consolidate their proposals from all sectors, all the projects that have to be considered in the budget that has been allocated per engineering district, Your Honor. And consultation with various sectors, as I said, this has to go through development councils, the provincial development councils, and this will have to be elevated actually to the regional development council, where they will propose the regional budget proposals. From the regional budget proposals, this is where we are determine actually the priorities that will be incorporated to the NEP to the allocation for each of the legislative district. So this is where we are going to determine priority include into the proposal, Your Honor.
How about, Mr. Chair, dun sa implementation? Sino naman ang nag-oversee ng implementation sa baba?
Implementation of projects dependent on the threshold authority that has been given. Let's say, for example, in the district level, Your Honor, they have the authority to implement projects up to 150 million, and up to regional offices, they have the threshold authority to implement up to 400 million, Your Honor.
In other words, Mr. Chair, correct me kung tama po ba ang tinutumbok natin. Sa kasalukuyang sitwasyon, ang proposal ay nanggagaling sa baba. After several consultations, umaakyat, napupondohan, nalalagay sa budget. Pero pagdating sa implementation, ang mga proponents ay siya rin ang nag-oversee ng implementation. Tama po ba, Secretary?
Ang nag-oversee na implementation, Your Honor, is would be the district.
So technically, where it emanated, kung sino ang nag-propose, initially, yun din ang
Yes,
mag-oversee
Your Honor.
in the normal flow of conduct. So kamakailan po, Secretary, ay nakita ko sa news na kayo po ay bumisita sa mga proyektong na-allege na ghost. Do you confirm this, sir?
Correct, Your Honor.
Pwede niyo po ba kaming i-orient kung totoo ba talagang ghost? Sangayon sa lumalabas sa balita, totoo bang substandard? And can we have the specifics of this project?
Your Honor, when the President mentioned actually that we have to investigate all the projects that we have furnished him, all the completed projects that we have furnished him, I immediately sent out validation team from the Department of Public Works and Highways to do a what we call present and absent project identification. And thereafter, there has been some reports that there are projects that cannot be located. And there are projects actually,
Apologies, sir. Tumbukin na lang po natin yung una niyong binisita. Were these projects in Bulacan?
Yes, Your Honor, meron kami.
So,
pinuntahan.
ghost ba? Hindi ba totoo? May project na pondohan, na kolekta, pero walang existing? Ganun po ba ang inyong nakita o hindi?
What I can now holds Your Honor is actually there are two projects that we have noted that these seems are ghost projects.
Ibig sabihin, multo ang flood control project na yun.
These are projects that cannot be identified, that cannot be
Were they
Be
paid,
located.
Mr. Secretary?
in first engineering.
Nabayaran po ba siya, Mr.
Nabayaran po.
Secretary? Okay. Yung dalawang project, unahin lang natin ito kasi gusto nga natin makita yung flow. Kanino po nag-emanate ang request na pondohan ang mga proyektong ito? Sang-ayon sa pagbisita ng ating Pangulo, yung dalawang project na sinasabi niyo po.
First project was actually financed under the year 2024. Other project is actually financed under the fiscal year 2025 year.
Ito po ba ay nanggaling sa baba? Was this proposed from the district or the regional office? Ito po ba ay pinopose ng ating district engineer at inakyat sa opisina nyo na pondohan sa NEP? Ganun po ba?
Our record is just saying that it came from the general appropriation.
So, Mr. Chair, may I move that we request the Department of Public Works and Highways, whoever is taking over, na tingnan yung flow. Una, paano ito napasok sa GAA? Pumasok ba ito sa NEP? Because what we are seeing here as a perennial problem, yung nag-propose ng project ay siya din ang mag-i-inspect, siya din ang magsicertify, siya din ang magsasabi na bayaran ito. Tama po ba, Secretary Bunoan?
Magsasabi ng bayaran, Your Honor, would be the implementing office that supervises.
Precisely.
Yes,
It's the same office that you mentioned. Yung nag-propose, papunta sa central office, papunta sa DBM, at na inoon ng DBM, napunta sa budget, siya rin ang mag-i-implement, siya rin ang mag-go signal. So the power rests in a single office or a group of people. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor, if the project emanated from the National Expenditure Program.
So, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Chair, dugtungan ko lang po, kasama lang itong mga binisita ni former Secretary Bunoan, kasama yung ating Pangulo. Yung pong sinabi niyong Barangay PL, Baliwag, Bulacan, ito po ba ay ghost din?
This is one of the projects that I had mentioned.
Ano po yung parang merong flood control na parang ginaganong-ganon ni Presidente? Yung semento na kaya niyang durugin sa kanyang mga kamay ang semento.
I would not know if the project that you're referring to project.
The one he mentioned, substandard. Magkasama kayo, I just saw it in the news, sir.
I was not with the president at this.
Oh, okay. So, Mr. Chair, my next question, in these two ghost projects that you are referring, meron pa po bang iba or wala na? Sa pagkakaalam nyo.
Under investigation and
Okay. For the first two ghost projects, proven to be ghost, sino-sino po ang contractors?
project in Barangay Pani by construction. Both of them, both projects are.
And what were your actions, Mr. Secretary? After that visit and when the President gave you a directive, ano po ang naging action nyo?
My directive was actually to issue the preventive suspension of all the first
will you agree with us in saying, legislative-wise, kailangan siguro lagyan ng safety measures na yung proponent sa baba ay hindi rin siya ang magiging implementer? Tama po ba?
Yeah.
Next, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Chairman, dun po kapag inakyat na after DPWH, saan po pumupunta ang proposal? Anong opisina po?
Pagka na-consolidate na po namin, Your Honor, I think submitted the Department of Budget and now then all the National Expenditure Program of Government.
Does the DBM vet or chine-check ba ng DBM yung lista na sinusubmit nyo? Kagaya ng, napunduhan na pala ito nung nakaraang taon, hindi na ito pwedeng ponduhan ngayon. Ginagawa ba ng DBM yon?
I am not sure, Your Honor, but I have not experienced thing that they would call our attention.
So what you submit to DBM, they take it hook, line, and sinker? Kasi sa pagkakaintindi ko ay tinitingnan nila ito.
Well, Your Honor, I think consolidate projects with that in the budgetary allocation